Hi guys, welcome back to Quadracare channel guys. Guys, in the previous videos we have discussed about an arrays and how and variable operators work, and we have also discussed about an console and console log statements and all alert and prompt statement guys. Let me inspect in the Google guys. Here let's go to source. These are all the things we have discussed in our previous topics guys. All these things like how to have a data type by the using of an var, how we use this data type, and how we can enter into the Google Chrome. We provide a welcome message by the help of an alert and console, and also we have produced some date and time. We also created like good morning, good afternoon, good night, etc guys. This is not an declare just and commenting argument. It is just a comment. And also we have discussed many more things guys in our previous classes. Now I'm just again comment back. Okay, now in the today's episode means today's video we are going to discuss about an operators and functions guys. Operators and functions. First of all, we are discuss about operators. Operators. First of all, we will go and discuss about an operators. There are two types of operators, guys, like arithmetic operators and string operators, guys. Two types. Wait a minute. One is arithmetic. Sorry, guys, arithmetic, and second one is string. Arithmetic and string operators, guys. One is arithmetic operator and secondly string operator. The string is just an operator, like we have discussed string operators at here. This is the operators which we produce as and lettering elements is known as a string operators. We have discussed about string operators in our previous videos only guys. Let me tell you again a simple example, like let me have an var. I take an var as an something like name is equal to something Arjun. Arjun. Here again I take an var as an message is equal to hello. Here we have taken these two things, and we provide a name at here. This is known as an string operators guys, where we provide some strings. And let me have alert message, control enter. Here you can see hello Arjun. Sorry guys, here some I didn't provide a space. Now again hello Arjun. These are known as string operators guys. Now we are going to an arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operations there are seven types guys, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, comma, division, comma, modulus, comma, increment, decrement. These are the arithmetic operators guys. These are the seven arithmetic operators which we will going to discuss this now. First of all, let me discuss by an wait a while. I commented all the things right here. Wait a second guys. Let me discuss every operator in a single particular way. By that way you can get an clear knowledge. Let me produce an every operator in a single line. Okay, first of all, addition operator. You all know we use plus sign for an additions in mathematics. In this, in the JavaScript also, we in programming also, we use plus sign as an addition, and even minus sign for subtraction. But in real life we use cross sign for multiplication. But in the while coming to programming, we use a star symbol for an multiplication. And division, we use hash symbol, slash symbol for division. Modulus, modulus is an also a separate argument which will provide us a remainder for two numbers. We use a percentage symbol for modulus, guys. For increment, we use double plus, guys. Double plus for an increment, and also for decrement we use minus minus, double minus for decrement. Okay, guys, let me take an var. Let me take an var as an num is equal to something, a number 10. Okay, here the increment operator, not an the addition operator. Let me have a num, and also var num1 is equal to 5. Here num, sorry, num plus num1 is known as an addition. This plus sign is indicates as an addition symbol. Here let me provide an alert. Here you can see what's the thing will goes. It adds the 1 and like 10 and 5 and provides us the 15. It's shown here. I don't think I don't show it there. Let me write in console dot log, console dot log. Let me zoom the things. We don't require this much of zooming. Okay, not okay. Now it is good. Let me decrease a while. Okay, now it is perfect. You can see this visibility addition. I added a console.log. Here you can see the result. Going to press it here. You can see it added. And even we copy this thing. We change the operator as a minus, and also we change this operator as a multiplication operator. We change our addition operator as a division. We change our modulus addition as a modulus. We see these two operators next, guys. First of all, we go here and press Ctrl Enter. See here, these two has been added, and like 10 and 5 has been added and provided as a 15. And here 10 minus 5, 5 provide as, and multiplication operator multiply both the things, and division it divides the both the things. While coming to remainder, it is an 0, guys. While coming to remainder, it comes an 0. Now let us go and enter into an increment operators, guys. Here in increment operators, we use a plus plus, guys, like num plus plus, but not num plus plus. Okay, console dot log num plus plus. Let me show you command. It added for the num 10, it added a 1. While coming to plus plus, it adds as 1 and goes, if it is in 11, it adds a 12. Let me, okay, it adds like this. Think we this is the right time we going to further, we go and discuss how while loops work. Let me provide you while num is less than 30. Let me have a 30. While num is less than 30, then provides num plus plus. Now here console dot log num. Now I print that thing. Here you can see providers 30. But when we cut this thing and provide in, inside the while loop, it loops the thing and provides all the thing, like from 10 to 30. I comment the thing. Now you can see from 10 means 11 to 30 things it has been printed here. It loops the thing because num is less than 30. Yes, we know 10 is less than 30. 10 is less than 30. So it goes to here. Here it adds one number and printed it and goes again to back here. Now 11. The answer is 11. 11 is also less than 30. Now it goes here and added plus 1 and come to here and prints the 12. It printed 12 and go here. 12 is always less than 30 and it loops the thing up to the 30. Up to 30. It loops the things. I clear the crash data. If we provide the same statement at here, you can see that it shows an error message and the whole thing will be stuck again. I don't need, I'm not going to stuck the thing, so I'm not running this thing. I'd like to have something. If num is greater than 30, let me change, sorry, if num is okay, like greater than 30 minus, mm, let me check this thing. I will decrease the thing. Let me run this thing. Here you can see the above thing has printed from 11 to 30 here, and from the below thing is 29 to 5. Num is below 30. It printed from 29 to 5. Yes, this is the decrement operator, guys. You can see it decreases the things from 30, 29 up to the thing 5. Here we provide some number 10. It also decrement the things. Here it increment to 30. Now here it decrements from 30 to 5. We provided a 5. It decrement 30 to 5. Yes, guys. This is all cool stuff we are discuss about the operators, guys. How operators work, how are the while loop will loop the things. We discuss about operators and while loop also, guys. Yeah. Okay. Let me comment. I commented it out. I going to save this thing. No running. Nothing is go on. Nothing has been running. I also comment all the thing. If you need all these programming statements, I provide a PDF after this video below in the description. You can go there and also download the PDF. You can learn. I provided the simplest way of learning and JavaScript, like how you can like use them var elements, alert elements, like if statements, and also many more, guys. I provided in the PDF. You can go to the description and download the PDF, guys, for free. It is all free for you. Okay, now I am going to tell you functions. We are going to starting functions, guys. Functions. While we coming to functions, we declare the functions as a function and some name like hello. We want to provide a brackets and also flower brackets. So yes, function, yes, hello. I don't repeat this thing. Okay, functions hello. Here we produce a function called like th this is the way where we create a function. In this way we can create a function. We can also create a number of functions. I created only a function, a simple function. And if we create a function, you should call the function. Always you should call the function like an I created an hello function, so I call it as an hello, like this way. I will call the function hello. I like to print like I like the document dot write hello. Hello friends. Document dot write hello friends. I return a function. I provided the parentheses and also I call the function. Now I am going to run this. Here you can see it printed a hello at the document. It written in the document type, guys. If you want, even you can have an alert, guys. I will also produce an alert. Here you can see it provides an alert, and also you can have console.log. Even you can have console.log, control enter. Here you can see hello friends. We printed in hello friends. By this way we can declare the functions, guys. This is the simple way of declaring the functions, guys. Okay, guys, now we have finished our code, means we have written all of our code in the Google Chrome, guys. Just an Google Chrome, guys. These functions will not applicable for your own website, guys. This is just a practice purpose. We are going to Google and just practicing our code, guys. It is not applicable to this website, not a website. We are just practicing our code. And delete the going wrong. Today I'm going to say how we can use our VS Code editor, guys. To use VS Code editor, I you want to create a new folder like this. It is an empty folder. You no, I think easy to create new folder. Okay? In this way, you can create a new folder. Let me enter into the VS Code editor. Here you can see I entered into a my new folder, guys. This is my new folder in the VS Code editor. Let me have a new file like index.html. This is a file is known as index.html, guys. Okay, guys. Let me have my basic code as an HTML. This is an index, so I like to give home. Okay, I given a home page. It is an home, and also I like to create an index.js file. This is an index.js file, guys. To link our index.js file into our HTML, I need to provide a script. Here, I need to provide a script. In the script, I should connect it the source to index.js. Index.js. Now our HTML has connected to the script, guys. You can either provide your script in body tag or an header tag. I like to give my all the scripts to an body tag, guys. So I like to provide in the body tag only my scripts. If you are good at in a header tag, you can provide in header tag also, but I like to be provide my script in a body tag. To know whether our script index.js is working or not, let me have a small test like alert, like okay, hello, alert, hello. Let me go to our folder. Here is our folder. I open this to Google Chrome. Here you can see it provides a hello, and again I will reload. It provides an again an alert. If you want to check our console or another code inside our coding, you can inspect the page. Go to an console. Let me decrease the thing. Okay, guys. Think it is better now. Somewhat. Okay, it is better. You can check our code at here. All the code which we have presented at here will also run in the at here. Let me show you console.log. Hello, I reload the thing. Okay, here you can see it printed our console, but it doesn't print the alert, guys, because alert is not a printing one, but console will print the things. You can have all your stuff code right here, which you have created right here. You can all have this stuff code in this page, guys. Like I like I'm going to remove the comments. Let me check. Okay, I comment this thing. Okay, okay. Declaration, if there is any error, no, nothing. Okay, control A, copy all the thing. I pasted all the things, guys. Here you can see what prompt name. It take the prompt name and it names slices thing and all the stuff which we have created in at there also created at here. Let me have comment it out the unnecessary things. I comment the unnecessary things. Agree. Document dot write. Trace and document. Okay. Here now run the thing. It what the thing is going wrong at here? Showing some error. Okay. Oh my god, it is an commenting thing. One error. Oh, what is another error? Let me. It is not showing me. Okay. Yes, this is also an. Okay, this is also the thing. Okay, all errors have been gone. Control S. Yes, here. Like to provide the name. Right. Insert the page. Console. Yes. Now I like to provide a name. Arjun. Good morning, Arjun. Welcome to Google Chrome. Yes, okay. Here you can see. Good morning, Arjun. Welcome to Google Chrome, and also it to show me all the things which we have taken in arrays. Array one, it is in the colors. Array two, it is in numbers. And also it pops the weight thing at the front. Here it adds a zero at the front. It pushes means it shift and shift the thing. And here purple is added again. Here number two is added again. Okay, these are the things which we created here. Think, yes, all the things has been created. What is this? And categorized index 45. Some error in the line 45. Yes, this is also an operator, guys. It is string. So that is why it show me an error. Now again I reload it. Arjun, good morning, Arjun. Here you can see all the things. It's printed addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder, and also an increment operator. I think again below. Yes, here the function. It is also and commenting argument. So that's why I think it showed me an error. Again, I like to reload. Good morning, Arjun. Okay. See, hello friends. Our function hello friends also has been came up. Okay. I also give decrement operator. Here in the decrement operations, mm, while okay, let me go for loop for let. Here I created let I is equal to 0. Okay, sorry, let I is equal to not 0. Let I is equal to 30, where num is greater than I. Now I produce I sorry, minus. Here console.log I provides num Here you can see 0 to 30, it provides an increment document. Sorry, this is the thing I should give. Okay, here I will provide for for
IPS plus I. Here I provide num plus is equal to I.
okay. I think this is the thing I should provide. Here I provide console.log as an num. Okay, all the set there set Arjun go. Hmm, what a large statement, what a large thing, what happened? Okay, something has gotten wrong, guys. Oh, it is an increment operator, guys. Yes, it got an error. I know it is an error. Let me, sorry guys, let me open it again. Then we can Google Chrome. Wait. I, let I is equal to 0. Let me comment this. No, wrong it, reload it. Sorry guys, I'll go again. Open it with a Google Chrome. Okay. Console, yes, 50, okay, yes. While loop addition and subtraction has been got it. Yes, guys, I think we have discussed a lot, and I'm going, I'm going here. I'm discussing with you from the scratch, guys. So I think you have been all cleared with the functions and increment of while loop, and also what are the operators like arithmetic and also string. Here we discuss about while loop, how increment operator will work, and also there is another increment operator, guys, like here num plus is equal to 2. By this way, here num minus is equal to 2. By this way, it will add by 2 guys. Here you can check it out while reloading. Here you can check from here that 10 plus 2 is equal to 12, 12 plus 2 is equal to 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25, up to 30. It added 30, and from the 30 it separated from 2 into 2, and last it goes to 10. Here you can check it out. 12 to 10, it decreases from 12 to 10. Here you can also provide an equal to, or again here equal to. Here you again check it out. It's come up to 30, again 32, because it also equal to 30, and so it goes to 32, and again here from 32 it goes to 8. Here you can check it out. By this way, the increment operators will work, and also decrement operators. The decrement operators like num minus minus and num plus plus. Decrement, guys, num minus is equal to 2. Num minus minus will minus the one number, minus 2 will minus 2 numbers. Add, you can provide 3, 4, 5 up to n numbers, it minuses n numbers. Here adds 2 and also provide up to n numbers, guys. If you have num plus plus, it adds only one number. This is the thing you should remember. This is the function, how we use the function, like how to create a function and also how to call the function, guys. Functions are very important topic, guys, in the JavaScript or any programming language like Java, Python, and also C, C++ also. Functions are very important topic, guys, because we use functions in various ways. We call the functions even if you are in multiple times, guys. We write a like we write a code and we provide that code into a function, and we like to call every time. If you have written a function, you can call the function in various multiple number of times, guys. So guys, this is all about today's course, today's video. Okay guys, let me have close the things. Okay. Okay guys, by this video, I think you all have been clear about what is a function, how the functions are going to work. Okay guys, please, please subscribe to my channel, guys, and click on the bell icon. It is very low, guys. My subscriptions are very low. Please support my channel by subscribing and clicking on bell icon. If you like the video, please like, press and like button. You don't require any money by clicking the like button. Please like the video and share my content with your friends, relatives, and some members who you know, who want require the knowledge of JavaScript or programming language. Please share the links, guys. It is my humble request. Okay guys, I'm signing off. Bye bye.